everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the Dauphinoise pie. So first I'm going to add my milk in there. The next I'll add my double cream. So these are the seasonings I'm going to add. I'm going to add some black pepper, thyme, garlic granules, herbs, and not my Afrodom Village Kitchen 10's spice blend. And then I'll add a pinch of salt. So this is a 10 spice blend. It's optional. I like the fragrance of the 10 spice blend in most of my cooking, so that's why I added it. So if you want it, I'll put my 10% discount code in the description box so that you can also order yours. It's a Ghanaian made based in the UK. It's really nice. Some catch order or nicer. So kindly order yours by using the discount code below. So adding salt to taste. So all the seasoning is just up to your taste, how you really like it and how you want it. Look at that. I have here my potatoes. For 180 degrees C and for about 45 to 1 hour till my cream has set. So I baked it for an hour and it's really soft now. Yes, and very creamy. So this is how you make your Dauphinoise. Look at that, very soft. At the moment I'm going to use it for my pie filling. Yes, that's it. So for my pie filling I'm going to use the Dauphinoise and my chicken pie filling recipe. So if you want that recipe, it will be in the description below. I'm going to fill it up. I have here a cling film. So the first filling will be the Dauphinoise and the second will be my chicken pie filling. You can choose to just leave it and then use something else, probably cheese or anything, make it yours, and how you really love and then enjoy. And then the second layer will be the Dauphinoise. So that is the Dauphinoise. And then again, I'll use chicken, as I said. Use any filling of your choice, and then you fill it up. Just be creative, make it your own. And that is the last one. So what I will do is I'm going to tie and leave it in the fridge overnight. If you want it a bit quicker, you can just leave it in your freezer for much quicker process. So I'll leave it in the fridge overnight. So this is how I tie mine. So this is how it will look at the end. Yes. I'll start by sieving 500 grams of flour, plain flour. So I'll be adding 10 grams of salt, and now I'll mix it up till I will be adding in 250 grams of unsalted butter. I'm going to dice it first. So I have diced my cold butter to cubes so that it will be very easy for me to rub my hands in. Using cold butter is just perfect for making your short crust pastry. After rubbing it, then next I'll be adding cold water with eggs. So I have in here 2 eggs. I'm going to beat the eggs and then add in 60 ml of cold water. So I have here 60 ml of cold water. So nice. Okay, now then I'm going to overmix it at all. I'll just also set it in the fridge after an hour. So I'm not going to overmix the dough now. So I mold it, and now I'm going to wrap it with a cling film and set it in the fridge for about an hour. So after taking it out of the fridge, I'll dust the surface with flour and then roll my dough. I will dust my surface with a little bit of flour, not too much. And then divide my So what I'll be using next is to use egg yolk to brush. This is going to give it a golden color and make it look so beautiful. So I'll put this in the oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees C. Look at that, it looks really gorgeous. Sister, brother, wow, ketchup. Give this a try. Let me know your opinion about it. Are you gonna give this a try or not? And kindly send me your photos at Nobling Lifestyle on Instagram. Looking forward to it. Subscribe to my channel. So I've brushed it with egg yolk, yes, all over, and look how shiny it is. It's going to give it that gorgeous golden brown color at the end. And I'll bake this at 180 degrees C for 45 minutes. So this will go into the oven now.